In fact, Bawumia has given Mahama a showdown in this election.
Mama Akwaba, wafreme Ajwa search name Mesrel. Now wa subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell no so for more news. Busia for Afia Pokuwaa vim lady and oka say na ochre say His Excellency the Vice President Dr. Bawumia ama Oman Penny Dada Mahama showdown. And as I saw you too. Oman showdown enya asem kwetu akra. Hey. Na campaign na shishi say and Dr. Bawumia du ha amanfo etu di nachi. Odu amanfo se mini, ni du ha amanfo se mini, ni running mate du amanfo se mini. Honorable Kenya compare kwa Japan du ha amanfo se mini. NDC fun kwa de wapenda da Mahama du bebi na oboje ne so kakra. Mami ana no kohwe obi mu kogu yi mame ajiman. O chese odi obi amfi no kra. Na na Afia Pokuwaa chese campaign we party and about Vice President Dr. Bawumia ama His Excellency Omampenda na John Dramani Mahama showdown. Yinti nsimo de etuja.
Nyame na meto aduane ma, nyame na me do kodwom, so I can't make a decision for you. But make your own your friend saying decision. Confidence is when you're able to compliment people without feeling insecure. Kofi do to chairman I say, yeah. I can compliment President Mahama. Now me dem feel insecure. Me a classmate. Me President Mahama baby. Now I can't feel insecure about no. In fact, it's a privilege to know him. It's a privilege to know somebody like President Kufuor. It's a privilege to know Bawumia. It's a privilege to know somebody like Bawumia. Obi always share their economics. I mean, that's how far it goes. So I can stop and say that President Mahama, the frustration man can't stop it. No, it's because about to Obi anya shekra. In fact, Bawumia has given Mahama a showdown in this election. I swear. Campaign way, Bawumia Mahama showdown because NDC was leading at the end. Now NDC was about to better. It can be anybody's game. NDC was about to better. It's not a walk in the park. It's not a walkover. It's not a done deal. They know it is not. But 2 years, NDC is almost winning. Why? Because they knew said the economy was bad. But now, despite the economy, most Bawumia campaign, what to me, Bawumia has successfully used some deflection tactics and deflecting attention from campaign economy. And NDC has not succeeded in bringing Bawumia back to economy. That NDC must be very
easy for you say poto. MPP abani atachi for abai ni dia for abai yesua de ye yedi mra so yesua mra. Hwe Ghana ni dia wutie me se wadwi mu do. Na person wusua de kwa akira join MPP party. Ye pempanifo a enum mra di mra hwe. Hwe no enum guase speaker of parliament wagu no ho. Hwe 24 hours majority caucus etwam. It shows almost 24-hour economy only explain now to soon. Ghana for me can say me Dr. Bawumia say election. So when we need Ghana politics as if because you can never compare the two. I mean, me compare John Mahama and Dr. Bawumia. Because Dr. Bawumia been vice president for 8 years. Yet one somebody will be beyond for corruption. When it comes to honesty, he has been the most honest politician I've ever seen in the world. Now, you can him there on top, he is a touch nut. You can ideas passing from my digitalization, Shaniama Papa will implement it. He has been the best and the most active vice president ever since the history of the Fourth Republic. Nasa Onu be our president, I fairly hopefully, what failure to extend a common for na was ye power ye generators for Ghana and India light kwa no yeska empia. Chok okran kwale pa radio class no munya chok and radio. I mean, John Mahama failed or Philip Poto. Ye class why there man for say in a Rage Hospital. And as Masa, Rage Hospital was a BOT project, built, operate and transfer. It was just even some renovation per asa. Yes, it's a hospital. Many are home. Your mama can hear one. And then the project. When we talk about a whole lot of projects, yes, in John Mahama. Then now, President, 4 projects in Kwan. John Mahama himself, he has no project. From the boss, former President Atamels, may so rest in peace. the projects na Mahama Jata ni ase ye ka memu Mahama meye hwe in any box side no pay their money brother it's no operation for baby ya dem ka che ye nwan mu nyina Christopher ene nwan Muslims alaji enkrawe me de mouth alaji tie mi o okọ mouse ka kasa che wu nwan mu nyina mon frefie kasa nchom Northern region, I was saying to me shoot to 97%.
No, obe winning because inshallah.
I just say
obe winning inshallah.
Oko Ghana ba na
me ko Ghana ba me hu difference bebre.
All right.
Me hu difference bebre.
All right.
Fe digital issue na ma Ghana ni Ghana ko ni there we no expect.
Alaji, in there mon fan
for no we no obia because no ye po ani mu akọ. Enye kire na ekọ.
Mo
nti 8 years omo ba no ma things are good.
Yeah, that's it.
Obia we say Ghana esi omusi Ghana
I know.
Just said you on pay juma ye.
Thank you.
Ama bibia ni boyaba.
Thank you.
Akoda po obia bibia e fine.
Weye imam kasa. Imam wo krom ha ene kasa.
Vicenza, Alaji Vicenza.
Alaji nyame nshirawo. Eti bo mo de na fan kra ne ko.
Mi de kra be ko.
Mosque mun kasa. No mun frame yanu mu ofie. Yes, Northern region is on go so Ghana nyina 97% should be the minimum also Dr. Bawumia.
Inshallah.
He is incorruptible. He is knowledgeable. He is a fantastic and humble man. Near finding the president, no all tumfa Ghana ko na nim. Me ankofo bia wa be Felipe e basa ye nim besa ye Eti Mr. Salaji, thank you for passing by this evening and thank you for giving a full support to Dr. Bawumia and the NPP. Inshallah, we are very fine. 2024 by a battery. You will Salaji on the 9th of December.
We will celebrate
celebration. Baby, I will baby, I must go with chance. Italy must baby, I will panel. When I'm organizing, Niambra, Niamberin, you never sponsor, Yamberin, near Fire Day, and that Allah has it. Yamisha, thank you for passing through. Thank you.
Meters no be end. No district, there was not a single tarred route. But they are all the town roads. I bypass. And first in Anka. The Tijaniya Muslim group no say no more head no say omo ye festival can't mean because kwan no so nyina be ma dey I bypass a ubenya ba bia kofa abi pie kuro nachi tad iti o hwe niam akoso oni kuro num regional feeder roads office in Bangalore yes here we be isini kuro mo iti why should I ask? Yes, say ni niam o. You be. But say I didn't know say sign aban say sign be you but brother districts are there. Sa constituency no na another mine hene aba say mine hene. See the sitting MP awaba just not up to 4 years. West no say mpuntu hene. West in mpuntu hene no strangely na John Mahama wo. Last year festival or you know the festival no former president baby interesting NDC PC baby and the MPP side no regional minister and the delegation the him and a sitting MP no deputy minister of roads Steven Jalula nanu si Jalula mpuntu in the presence of John Mahama but that constituency NDC did so 28 years hey yes and sana nanu ya 2020 years Dr. Kwabena Nkonko akura ye MP mra ebum 8 years. Asana ye betim. Ye team first MP NDC.